Hi, I'm Liz Zerker, and this is 6 Supplemental Speaking Lessons for Students of ESL. Now we're going to talk about one of the most difficult sounds in the English language. TH. TH together actually makes two sounds. We don't think of it that way. But it's not in very many languages besides English and Arabic, and maybe some others. Many people have a hard time with this sound, and they substitute T or D in the place of it because it's easier and it's what they know. The way you form the TH sounds is you use your top teeth, let's say these are your top teeth, and your tongue. Your tongue makes a box with your top teeth to hold the air in as you blow it through. So you have to stick your tongue up but not out to make a connection with the edge of your top teeth and make kind of a box with the upper part of your mouth and blow air through quickly and put the tongue back down. This means it's a muscle, and so you have to exercise just like any other muscle in your body. And since this sound in many languages is not a muscle people have used a lot, you need to be able to put the tongue out, make a little box, blow the air, and remove the tongue, or th, really quickly. You're not being rude by sticking out your tongue. I know many cultures think showing tongue at all is rude, but you're not really showing your tongue. You're just making a little box for the sound to pass through. Why are there two sounds of TH? Like everything else, as I've explained before, there's a voice and a voiceless partner. Take your hand, put it on your throat, and say the word the or this. These are words you say all the time. It should vibrate in your throat. Your tongue, the tip of your tongue should be touching your front teeth. And this is something you'll have to practice. Other times we say that sound, it might be at the end of a word or the middle, and it will be voiceless. Mother, brother, feather, both, math. So this is something that you might have a hard time hearing at first. You might be using T or D in place of it, or for French speakers, je. So you need to hear the difference first before you try to say it. You could record yourself saying the practice sentences that we'll have in class. You'll find that if you record yourself on your iPhone, you will not like what you hear. This happens a lot. It happened to me when I studied Russian or French or Arabic, but it's part of learning. So if you can do that alone at home, record yourself trying to say the TH sound, you will learn more and more how to do it. I have a list here that we need to look at. If TH is at the beginning of a word, it will be that voiced, vibrating variation. So, see these words with me, please. The, this, that, these, those, think, third. These are a little hard because they include another sound in R, so it's a cluster. Thread, like string. Three. When the sound is in the middle, it's a little harder because you're going from one sound to that sound to another sound, so it's not going to be very pronounced. And oddly enough, the family words, father, mother, brother, feather, like birds have, leather, cloth made from animal skin. Here is final, bath, both. Here's a voice variation, bathe. There's the unvoiced, bath, bathe. Bath is a noun. We usually say take a bath. British people, when they swim in the ocean, they bathe. So it's a verb. Faith, fourth. Math, moth, south. It's good to practice beginning sounds, middle sounds, and end sounds. We'll be playing a game in class called the Matthews Family Photo Album. You'll get many chances to make the TH sound. So until then, practice saying thank you. Thank you.